Hello Mushy and friends, and welcome back to our channel, Mushy and Newt. My name's Newt, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate cozy desk space. First off, you need to acquire yourself some sort of a desk. I got this roll top desk from my mother, and it comes with this extra storage space, which is optional. If you're going to want to get some old beat up looking books or notebooks or journals, these are three that I just had lying around. Next off, decorate with knickknacks. These are some little figurines that I won from Instagram artist giveaways. They're so cute. And then this light I was going to show you, but it's actually out of battery, so I just put that over here. You can never have too many lights. Then you need a cozy keyboard. This one does light up. It's actually really cool, but I mainly use this to take photos of my keycaps that I make. It's kind of dirty right now, so we're just going to hide it under there and pretend like I didn't show it. Then you're going to need some cute atmospheric decor. A quill, of course. Just some random books if you want to add them around. And plants, of course. This is a moving picture that my husband gifted me. I love it so much, so this one's going to go on the top of my desk. And this is how it's looking so far. You can also add some candles if you want, just be careful with where you're placing them. And you can add art prints. This makes it extra cozy, especially if the art prints match the characters that you have hanging out on your desk, which these do. Now this step is not optional. You need to add some twinkle lights to your area. Even if you don't do any of the other things that I'm suggesting, you have to add the twinkle lights because they instantly make any area look at least 3 times more cozy. You could add twinkle lights to a trash can and they would look so cozy because you have twinkle lights on it. And there's no rhyme nor reason to this. Just stuff them in nooks and crannies, stuff them behind things, wrap them around stuff. You can add some dried plants if you'd like to. This is just some eucalyptus that I have arranged in a bundle. And I put it back here and I was like, this is cool, but you know it'd be cooler to put twinkle lights on it, so I did. And it made it so much more cute in there. So this is my roll top desk, so unassuming, and then you open it up and it is so cozy, it's so comfortable, it's such an amazing place just to hang out and be at. And I foresee spending plenty of hours at my desk editing or writing my novel, and I'm so happy with how this space turned out. And these are 2 of the aforementioned keycaps that I was talking about earlier. These were 2 separate orders, one for a ghost in the fall leaves and the other for a little forest toad under a leaf. These are them all baked and glazed and ready to go off to their new homes. They're so adorable. If you're interested in buying one of these, I have an Etsy shop called Corner Creatures where I do sell them, and I sell other things like a pond toad, a little pumpkin, and other things like desk friends and stuff like that. I always do a tap test before I send them off, just to make sure there's no abnormalities. The next day, me and Mr. Newt decided to spend the day on the lake. It was so wonderful. This was our first time getting our paddle boards out, and Mr. Newt actually did an amazing job, and he was able to actually stand up. Then we saw these 2 baby loons, and they were out with their mom or their dad. Mr. New got some candid shots of me on my paddleboard. This is as high up as I'll go. I'm not sure I'll ever stand on it. Look at me go, what a pro. Just zooming right along. But jokes aside, this was actually one of the funnest days I've had in a while. and then we ate some subs while we were out there. It was so much fun, oh my gosh. And then when I came home, my new desk stuff had come in, so stay tuned for my next video where I put this stand-up desk together. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day or night, and I'll see you in another video. And enjoy this absolute unit of a crab.